Hello and welcome to Robertson Homes at Southfield Grange in Newton Mearns. For those of you unfamiliar with Robertson Homes, we are a family-owned, family-run builder. We design usually 4, 5 and 6 bedroom homes that are ideal for family living. We've taken into account the way people live these days with open plan living, higher ceilings, more light, more spacious rooms. We have a mix of 4, 5 and 6 bed homes. Some of them are traditional, over 2 stories, and some have got the 3rd floor, as well as high specification and clever layouts. Our garden rooms are a standout feature, allowing light to pour into our open plan kitchen, dining and family areas through the cathedral style windows and French doors. And we also have great spaces to work from home. Overall, our properties are designed and built with our customers in mind. Located in the heart of East Renfrewshire, just 13 miles from Glasgow and within 40 minutes of Ayrshire, this development offers easy access to the amenities of a big city, plus the benefits of spectacular countryside and outdoor pursuits. Southfield Grange is part of the overall Maidenhill development, which now has its own primary school. It's also a catchment for the Mearns Castle High School, which is very sought after in this particular area. The main shopping area for Newton Mearns is the Avenue, where you have Marks and Spencer's, you have Asda. Also on the doorstep is Waitrose, you have a Tesco within an easy 5-minute drive. We are anticipating our first completions or our first people to move in around late summer, autumn of 2021. And our show home is going to be the very beautiful Stewart Garden Room. If you'd like to know more about specific homes we are selling, please do get in touch via telephone, email or through web chat.